Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Instacart referral code. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Instacart and you want to go ahead and find your referral code so you can send it to family members or friends. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, click on the upper right-hand corner on your profile icon. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on Refer a Friend, Earn Credit. Now with this, you can see here that you can actually copy the code, and this is the code that you could actually send to your friend that they can use. You can also send a text or share this as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your Instacart referral code. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.